I'm telling you guys, this totally works. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, and today I am going to talk to you again about my Nira laser and my update, progress, and a new product they have just launched. Welcome to my channel. And yes, if you saw my other Nira laser demos before, after, and you thought, I don't know, Rebecca, not a lot of progress. Well, I am going to share with you, now we are at almost 6 months, sort of 5 months, and I really am seeing incremental improvement. And you guys, if that's the case, then I am rewinding damage. This video is sponsored by Nira, and I am so grateful to partner with them. They've been so supportive of me and my channel, and I really feel like they are reliable, dependable. This is an FDA cleared device. So the efficacy, clinical data, not only that, but the clearance of safety is such a confidence booster and so reassuring. So I am 51 years old. I have a genetically, my complexion is thin. You know, I am fair. I have a thin Caucasian skin. It burns easily. I have sun damage. I have freckling. I have rosacea. I have expression lines. I do not have any in-office procedures done. I've not had any surgeries done. I don't have Botox. I don't have fillers. I haven't had any office laser procedures or any kind of like oxygen facials or anything like that. So that lets you know what we are dealing with. I just wanted to say, I've gotten carded, and I thought it was an incredible testimonial to my skin. And I was like, really? She goes, oh yeah, we have to card if you look under 40. And I went, okay. And then I show her my ID, and I'm born in 72. And she's just like, wow, you fooled me. And I'm just like, ma'am, you made my day. So anyway, yeah, and you know, I wear my age proudly. I am so proud of aging. Growing old is a privilege. I want you to know my philosophy on that, but I do love improving my skin. I am obsessed with just creating the best skin I can have. And if that means less dark circles, a lighter, a more lifted lid, less expression lines, I am so happy to achieve that. My mom, just to give you some of where my genetics might lead me, my mom had the blepharoplasty in her 60s due to her eye doctor telling her her vision was literally impaired from her sagging hooded eyes. And I remember she was probably from her 40s up until that point constantly complaining about her saggy hooded eyelids. And when she literally got plastic surgery to repair it, but as from an eye doctor perspective, it was like, wow, is that my future? So I have been focusing my Nira laser. This is the precision laser. This is the precision laser is shaped and sized for the eye area. You can use this all over the face. You can use this on the marionette lines. You can use this on your 11s, but it is intended to fit right in there nicely. And you do 40 passes along each eye, and you do it every day. You can use it twice a day. It has a level for strength. The Nira technology uses heat, and it is a laser, but it is a non-fractional laser. And what that means is that it has no downtime. You are not having any kind of scarring or blistering or anything like that to recover from. And I do this every morning. I use clean skin. I don't have any serums on. And what my goal is to improve right here where I get bluish, grayish under eye area, because my skin is so thin down there that genetically that's just where it's heading, regardless of how much sleep I get, regardless of what I'm eating. I am starting to just become thinner skinned and gray, blue in my under eye area. And then right here, of course, I will just show you my intentions are to just start to give a little, as much as I can, to buy myself time and continue the shape of my eye without it drooping. And folks, I understand that my results are not dramatic, but I do think that that tells you that when you are doing something every day, that you have started at a certain time in your life and you're doing things to maintain and take care of your skin, you are not just gonna eliminate future damage, but you could also reverse what you did in your 20s and your 30s, or what you are genetically predisposed to, like me. So I think it's pretty exciting. I also think that if you have chosen to go the Botox or filler route, that using a device like this in tandem is going to prolong and help whatever results you're trying to achieve. And the Nira laser, they have their original laser, which is more of a full sized head that covers more surface area. And I have seen other YouTubers and influencers share the results on that, and they have used it all over their face. And I think that would be so much fun I might give this a go and just start doing my jawline to kind of continue to firm my jawline as that sags over time. Knowing how reliable it is and knowing what other people's results have been, and now seeing them for myself, because my results were slow to come, I do admit, but I am just so excited and I am going to keep this up. Let's talk about cost and if it's worth it, because when you get a device that's hundreds of dollars, that is a sacrifice, that is a financial investment. You are committing to something. And I understand that that is a huge chunk to bite off, but I want to share why I think it's worthwhile in the end, and why I think that it's something that if you are budget conscientious, but you want results, you've been thinking about Botox, or maybe you tried Botox or filler and then you realized they were a lot of money, or you thought about a laser procedure in an office setting, but it was thousands of dollars because you need multiple visits. A few $100s, you can have your laser at home and continue to use it for years down the road. You don't need to make any appointments. You don't need to pay for anything else. That's it. They have a new skincare item to pair with the laser, and this will only make your results that much better, that much faster. So they have developed a peptide cream. This is their youth renewal. This is a peptide cream, and it is for all skin types. This is what's going to help your skin repair itself. Peptides are the building blocks of our skin. I know that sounds super buzzworthy. I know we've heard that before, but if you are afraid of actives, if you have sensitive skin, if you are just now starting to think about what kind of anti-aging products you want to try, a peptide cream like this that has nothing but the ingredients that are effective, There's no fragrance, there's no alcohol, there's no filler, and it is something you can use around your eye area. I use this all over my face after I have finished with the laser treatment, and I use this in conjunction with other skincare because I have a lot of skincare. I get stuff sent to me weekly and I'm always trying something out. I've got several favorite, both drugstore and K-beauty, and you know, like it's all over the board. But this has been such an incredible addition to my skincare because it has just helped with the discoloration. It's helped with my skin barrier. My skin looks more vital, brighter, and I've been really enjoying it. This is definitely the power duo that I use every day that I can tell is doing something. And I feel like that's kind of what we want, you know, like of all the things I do for myself, I'm really good about what I eat, and I'm really good about getting enough sleep, and I'm really good about my skincare. I don't work out. I should work out more, but I am doing my Nira laser, and that makes me happy because I feel like I'm doing something. I'm doing something. I know. Look, we can tell ourselves whatever we want to make us feel better, and that's okay. That's okay, right? Right, okay. Well, I hope that you can see fundamentally where I started, where I'm going, and I just want to show you something. When I smile, yes, I have wrinkles. Yes, I have crow's feet, whatever you want to call them. But I feel like they're shallow, they're not as deep as they were, and I feel like this part of my eyelid has got less of a fold over my lower lid. I guess you call this the mobile lid. I don't know. Yeah, I truly think so. I feel like I need less concealer these days. I feel like my skin is looking good, and I really do attribute it to the Nira. I do. So I appreciate them sponsoring this video. I really am proud to partner with them. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If I can't answer them, I will ask the people at Nira. There you go. There you go. And like I said, I totally understand it is a commitment. It is a financial commitment, but it is definitely more cost effective than other treatments, and I think you will be glad you did it. If you had fun watching this video just for my before and after, you want to use this as a resource to take time and think about it, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you've decided that you want to give it a go, click the link that I have included in the description box, and I do have a discount code. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for spending time in this corner of YouTube, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.